In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Calendly to Payhip coaching. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your Calendly booking calendar connected directly to your Payhip coaching product, so clients can seamlessly schedule sessions right after purchasing. Let's start inside your Calendly account. Once you're logged in, go to your scheduling or event types area, where all of your different meeting options are listed. Look for the specific meeting type you want to connect to your coaching service, such as a one-on-one call or coaching session. When you found the right event, open its options and click on the button that lets you copy the link. This link is what your clients will use to book time with you, so make sure you're copying the correct event type, especially if you have several similar ones set up. With that Calendly link copied, head over to your Payhip dashboard and log in. At the top of the dashboard, you'll see a menu bar. Click on the products option. This will show you a list of all the products you've created, including digital downloads, courses, and coaching services. From this list, find the coaching service product that you want to connect to Calendly. On the right-hand side of that product, you'll see a Manage button. Click on Manage to open the editing area for that specific coaching product. Now you're on the editing page for your coaching service. At the top of this page, you'll see several tabs that let you configure different parts of the product. Click on the Template tab. This is where you control how the coaching experience is structured for your clients, including the milestones they'll go through. Scroll down until you see the section for your coaching milestones. Under the description for the first milestone, look for the Add Calendar button and click it. A text field will appear where you can paste a calendar link. This is where you paste the Calendly URL you copied earlier. Make sure it's pasted correctly with no extra spaces. Once you've added your link, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This step is important. Without saving, your calendar won't actually be connected. After saving, your Calendly event is now linked to your Payhip coaching service, and clients will be able to schedule their sessions smoothly as part of your coaching workflow.